doing. I'm really sorry there wasn't a video up on Wednesday. Your girl just wasn't feeling it. My emotions have been all over the place just lately. Today's video, I woke up this morning and the sun was shining, the birds were chirping, and it's Easter next week. It's Easter next week. So I decided that I wanted Easter inspired, mermaid inspired, the rainbow on my face. And this is the look that I've come up with today, and I'm super excited about it. I feel inspired, I feel lifted just by putting a bit of makeup on my face, just to make me feel a bit better. If you want to see how I created this look today, then please keep watching. So let's just jump straight into it. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows, I think. So I'm just going to be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black. How are you guys anyway? Are you guys okay? So I'm going to prime on my P. Louise. If you want to follow me on Instagram and we can chat on there, I'm just going to have some iced coffee. So if you guys want to chat to me on Instagram, we can always chat on there. I'm always active on my Instagram. I'm always active on my stories and things like that. So if you want to keep up with me. Are you guys watching anything good on Netflix? Because I'm sure that I've been through every show on Netflix known to man. So I'm going to be using my Nikki Tutorials palette, and I'm first going to go into, that beautiful pink, which is Bend and Snap, and I'm going to put that into my crease using my Spectrum B11 brush. So I'm just putting that pink through the crease, and it's such a beautiful pink. I'm then going to go into the shade Vila, which is that lovely neon yellow, and I'm just going to blend the top of that pink with that shade. Do something spring inspired, something Easter inspired. So now I'm going to cut the crease. Oh, like Elle Darby. I love Elle Darby. I saw her like with her sister Katie. I saw her with her sister Katie, and they had like this cookie mix. Can't remember what brand it was, but they had this cookie mix anyway, and then they put like Kinder Bueno and mini eggs in there. Oh my god, guys, you've got to try it. It is the most delicious cookies I've ever tried in a long time. We just ate them all up because they were so nice. Betty Crocker, that's the ones. Betty Crocker cake mix, like cookie mix. Guys, they were gorgeous. So Ellie Darby, thank you for that one. Not that she's ever going to be watching my videos. I'm going to go into the shade Ew, which is that green. Then I'm going to go back into Bend and Snap, which is that gorgeous pink. I'm so happy for Imogen and Spencer. They're having a baby. That baby is going to be the most loved baby like on planet Earth. Let's have a sip of iced coffee. Best thing ever. For primer, I'm going to be using the MUA primer with it's got hair on it. Wonderful. So this is the MUA Pro Base Priming Oil, and it has little flecks of gold in there. So I just want to use this up, to be honest. So that's why I'm using it today. I want to do the trick where she put on TikTok, they put like their concealer first, their bronze, their... Okay, right, let's rewind that. So I want to try the TikTok hack where they put the concealer on, their contour on, and then the bright red lipstick on for blush. It's going to turn into a proper big mess, but we're going to try it. And I'm just going to put my concealer where I normally would put concealer. So the only contour stick that I have, guys, is my Larizzi stick. I really need to invest, but you guys know I'm not the best at doing contour. I'm going to blend all this in with my sponge. Having a mirror probably would help. I'm going to blend all this in with my sponge. Bye bye double chin. If only it was that easy. Now comes the scary part. Red lipstick for blusher. And I've seen girls like go ham with this on. So let's try. So now to blend it in, I'm going to use a brush. So quickly, let's blend this in. Oh wow. I mean, it's definitely made me look more blushed. Let's put a little bit more on. Definitely gonna have to clean my brushes again after this. I mean, it's definitely made me look red. Do I think I'll use it every day? Probably not. For foundation, I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal True Match in 2N Vanilla. Quite like that. So before people come for me in the comments, I'm going to wipe my lips because somehow that just triggers people and they don't like foundation all over my lips. So just for you Karens in the background, I have natural lips now. So I'm going to powder that down using my Body Collection powder. I quite like this powder, to be honest guys, it's really nice. For the bronzer, Body Collection again, and this one is in light medium. Want some like glowiness, so again, Body Collection. I swear guys, this Body Collection is gorgeous. You can pick it up from Wilko's, it's super cheap, super affordable. Just gives you that beautiful, beautiful glow to the skin. So like nice coffee. I'm going to be using the Makeup Obsessions blush, and this is in Bloom, not Boom, Bloom. Going for a super blush look today. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to be using my NYX lashes today, which are absolutely stunning. I got these out of a glossy box. I'm then going to use the best mascara that I love so much, and it's of course the Essence Lash Princess, and this is the Sculpt and Plumping Volume mascara, so it's the purple one. I'm not going to put lower lashes on yet because I've still got to do the lower lash line. I mean, you could just wear the mascara and not put the lashes on. Oh, those lashes are really, really pretty. I mean, they look natural, which is, oh God, my nose is itching as normal. They look really natural, but they look really pretty, so I'm obsessed. So first of all, I'm gonna go in the inner corner with Vila, which is that yellow. And I'm gonna just pop that in the inner corner. I'm then going to attempt to put Mama Tutorials on the lower lash line. I know it's a shimmer, but I'm going to try it. So, oh, that's really pretty. I'm going to go in with Pride, and I'm putting it on the green. Oh no, that's pretty. That's pretty. So with a little bit more glitter, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bay Living My Best Light Glitter in Moonstone, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Yes, yes. A little bit of that above the brow bone. Ooh, I might even put a bit of this on the cheekbone. And then with my finger, I'm going to blend that in. Oh yeah, this is like turning quickly into a festival look, even though I wanted it to be Easter, but I'm sure it looks Eastery as well. Pop some mascara on the lower lash line, because I always seem to forget that in my videos. Always. For lips, I'm going to use this lip liner from Colourworks, and it's in the shade, I have no idea. Does it not come in a shade? Oh, it's a shade pink anyway. It just doesn't say it. Oh, these are creamy. Super creamy. And then I'm going to be using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Paris, which is this one. And I actually got this NYX lipstick from Poundland for £1. These are normally like £7. So guys, to finish the look off, I'm going to put some Revolution lip gloss. This is like a holographic lip gloss. I look like a unicorn and I absolutely love it. Last thing to do, a little bit of spritz. And of course I'm using my PS Primer water, the rose water from Primark, because girls, I'm obsessed. I'm so happy with this look, how this look has turned out. I am so buzzing. I've been waiting to put the rainbow on my face for what feels like forever. I've been so uninspired, and yeah, I've just been really uninspired just lately, and to sit down and just play with makeup and look like a beautiful rainbow unicorn. I love it. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you did enjoy this video today, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, hit that subscribe button because it would mean the absolute world to me if you did, and come and join the family. And yeah, so until next time, have a lovely weekend, whatever you are doing, and next week's going to be amazing. So bye guys, I love you all and thanks for watching.